All right, Prius owners, let's talk shop. Your Prius is a marvel of engineering, saving you money on fuel and helping the planet. But even heroes need a little TLC to stay in top shape. Regular maintenance is key. A bit of care now saves you hassle and cash down the road. It's like giving your Prius a spa day. This keeps your car running smoothly and extends its lifespan. Trust me, a little maintenance goes a long way. Let's start with the basics, your tires. They're the only point of contact between your Prius and the road, so keeping them in tip-top shape is crucial. First up, tire pressure. Underinflated tires can decrease your fuel efficiency and even lead to premature wear and tear. Checking tire pressure is super easy. Grab a tire pressure gauge, you can get one at any auto parts store, and check your pressure against the recommended PSI found in your owner's manual or on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Next, inspect your tires for any signs of wear and tear, like cracks, bulges, or uneven tread wear. If you spot anything unusual, it's best to get it checked out by a professional. And don't forget about tire rotation. Rotating your tires every 5,000 miles or so ensures even wear and tear, extending their lifespan. Trust me, your wallet will thank you for it. Remember, properly inflated and maintained tires are essential for a smooth, safe, and fuel-efficient ride. Now, let's move on to the lifeblood of your Prius, the engine oil. Even though it's a hybrid, your Prius still relies on an internal combustion engine, and that engine needs regular oil changes to stay lubricated and happy. Think of oil changes like giving your engine a refreshing drink of water. Fresh oil keeps everything running smoothly, reduces friction, and prevents overheating. Over time, engine oil breaks down and becomes less effective, which can lead to decreased performance and even engine damage. The general rule of thumb for oil changes is every 5,000 miles for conventional oil or every 7,500 miles for synthetic oil. However, it's always best to consult your owner's manual for the specific recommendations for your Prius model. During an oil change, it's also a good idea to have your mechanic check your oil filter and replace it if necessary. The oil filter traps dirt and debris, keeping your engine clean and running smoothly. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining your Prius's engine health and ensuring its longevity. Let's talk about the heart of your hybrid system, the battery. Your Prius has two batteries, a regular 12-volt battery that powers the electronics and a larger hybrid battery that powers the electric motor. The good news is that the hybrid battery is designed to last for a long time, often exceeding 100,000 miles. However, it's still important to be mindful of its health and take steps to prolong its lifespan. One simple way to do this is to avoid extreme temperatures. Extreme heat or cold can put extra stress on the battery, reducing its efficiency and lifespan. If you live in a particularly hot or cold climate, parking your Prius in a garage or shaded area can help regulate its temperature. It's also a good idea to have your hybrid battery checked by a qualified technician during your regular maintenance appointments. They can inspect the battery for any signs of wear and tear and ensure it's functioning properly. Remember, a healthy hybrid battery is essential for maximizing your Prius's fuel efficiency and overall performance. Section 5. Brake check. Ensuring safe and efficient stops. Next up, let's talk brakes. Your Prius has a regenerative braking system, which means that when you brake, the electric motor acts as a generator, converting kinetic energy into electrical energy that's stored in the hybrid battery. Pretty cool, right? While regenerative braking reduces wear and tear on your traditional brake pads and rotors, it's still important to have your entire braking system inspected regularly. During a brake inspection, a technician will check the condition of your brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. They'll also look for any signs of leaks or damage. If your brake pads are worn down, they'll need to be replaced to ensure optimal braking performance. And don't forget about your brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, which can reduce its effectiveness and even lead to corrosion. It's generally recommended to have your brake fluid flushed and replaced every 2 years or so. Remember, a well-maintained braking system is crucial for your safety and the longevity of your Prius. Section 6. Filter fundamentals, keeping your Prius clean inside and out. Your Prius has filters that keep things clean and running smoothly. The engine air filter prevents dirt and debris from entering your engine. A clogged filter can reduce performance and fuel efficiency. Check and replace it every 15,000 miles or more often in dusty areas. The cabin air filter cleans the air entering your Prius's cabin. A dirty filter can reduce airflow and allow pollutants inside. Replace it every 15 to 20,000 miles, or more often if you have allergies. Fresh filters keep your Prius running smoothly and ensure a healthy driving experience. Section 7. Coolant care, regulating your engine's temperature. Now let's talk about your Prius's cooling system, which plays a vital role in regulating your engine's temperature. The cooling system consists of a series of components, including the radiator, water pump, thermostat, and coolant. Coolant, also known as antifreeze, is a mixture of water and glycol that prevents your engine from overheating. Over time, coolant can break down and become less effective, which can lead to corrosion and other problems within the cooling system. It's generally recommended to have your coolant flushed and replaced every 30,000 miles or so. During a coolant flush, a technician will drain the old coolant, flush the system to remove any contaminants, and refill it with fresh coolant. They'll also inspect the other components of your cooling system for any signs of wear and tear. Remember, a properly maintained cooling system is essential for preventing overheating and extending the life of your Prius's engine. Section 8. Lights, camera, safety. A bright outlook for your Prius. Let's not forget about the importance of your Prius's lights. Your headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals are crucial for visibility and communication on the road. Make it a habit to regularly check that all your lights are working properly. Walk around your car and test your headlights, both high beams and low beams, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals. If you notice any bulbs that are burned out, replace them immediately. It's a simple DIY task that can make a big difference in your safety. Don't forget about your windshield wipers. They're essential for maintaining clear visibility in inclement weather. Over time, wiper blades can become cracked, brittle, or worn down, reducing their effectiveness. It's a good idea to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or sooner if you notice they're not clearing your windshield properly. Remember, clear visibility is crucial for safe driving, so don't neglect your lights and wipers. Section 9. The digital dashboard, your Prius's communication center. Your Prius's dashboard is like its communication center, providing you with valuable information about your car's health and performance. Pay attention to the various warning lights and indicators on your dashboard. If a warning light illuminates, it's essential to consult your owner's manual to understand its meaning and take appropriate action. Some warning lights, like the check engine light, may indicate a minor issue, while others, like the oil pressure warning light, could signal a more serious problem. Your dashboard also displays important information like your speed, fuel level, engine temperature, and odometer reading. Keep an eye on these gauges to monitor your Prius's vital signs and ensure everything is functioning within normal parameters. If you notice anything unusual, such as a sudden drop in fuel level or a spike in engine temperature, it's best to err on the side of caution and have your car checked by a mechanic. Section 10. Regular checkups, the key to a healthy hybrid. Just like humans need regular checkups with a doctor, your Prius benefits from regular maintenance appointments with a qualified mechanic. Think of these appointments as preventative care for your car, catching potential issues before they become major problems. During a regular maintenance appointment, a technician will perform a thorough inspection of your Prius, checking everything from the engine and transmission to the brakes and suspension. They'll also perform any necessary routine maintenance tasks, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and fluid top-offs. The frequency of these appointments varies depending on your driving habits and the age of your Prius, but a good rule of thumb is to have it serviced at least once a year or every 10 to 15,000 miles. By staying on top of regular maintenance, you're investing in the long-term health and longevity of your Prius. Section 11. Prius Pride. Enjoying the rewards of a well-maintained hybrid. And there you have it, folks. Maintaining your Toyota Prius might seem like an extra task, but it's easier than you think. By following these simple tips, you're not just taking care of your car, you're investing in a smoother, safer, and more economical ride. Remember, a little love goes a long way. Think about it. Every time you check your tire pressure or change your oil, you're contributing to a healthier engine, better fuel efficiency, and ultimately more money saved. Plus, a well-maintained car is a joy to drive. So embrace the Prius life. Enjoy knowing that you're doing your part for the environment and your wallet. Remember, regular maintenance is the key to unlocking all the benefits of owning a Toyota Prius. Get out there, hit the open road, and experience the pride of driving a well-maintained hybrid.